Good morning, everybody. This morning we're headed off to do a main line in Merrimack, New Hampshire. It is a Sunday. So hopefully it goes nice and smooth for us, but you never know. There we go. Alright, so we need the Bucket Buddy vacuum. Yep. We'll do the K9, not the bigger one. We'll do the K9. So we need that stuff so we can suck this out. And looks like 1/2 inch channel locks. Alright, give me the vacuum. Stuff down on the floor. That would help. Use this one over there. It's closer. Okay, it's plugged in. Put them in your pocket. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you did. Yeah, this one's like weird. Yeah. Channel locks. The wax is really squished. The wax is blown out. Hopefully we have a wax ring in the truck. Nice bathroom. Not before. I have to slide this towards you all so I have space. Oh, tight those. Tight. What was I at? Not that. Yep, put it right there. That scares me.
Now, come on, this way. Let's go.
Sure, either. Yeah. first went back in the sink, gurgled, and a little water came up. Okay.
Adam's on his way.
Hold this. Oh, is he?
Yeah.
That's fine. Just I found whatever it is. It's stuck to the end of my cable.
Good. So you actually have it.
Yeah.
Great.
Frick. Sorry. Ow. That's why I said hold it, not with your feet. You have posable thumbs for a reason, child. Oh yeah, that loosened up the drill really quick. What fishy did we catch today? I thought it was weird that I still saw water in the end here. Anything good? Let me run this. Oh, is that hair? This is a wipe. So it looks like someone flushed wipes down your toilet.
Are you fucking serious?
Yep.
Wipes.
Yep, that's exactly what this is. Whether it's a Clorox wipe or a baby wipe, I'm not 100% sure. But you're still backed up, but that's what's in there.
Okay. So that's the culprit.
Yep.
All right. We have to get more of them out of there now? Probably.
Yep. That's a Clorox wipe. You can tell by the pattern on it. I'll even keep on those from my feet. Oh, it's been around, or? That sounds like flowing water. That's an exciting sound. Cold water. Yep. Oh, crap. The closest to me. Okay. Just turn it on over. Do you run your kitchen sink cold water for me?
Yeah.
We caught a fishy.
What else you got at the end of that thing?
Nothing, but we heard it go, so. So you said Adam's on his way over here now?
Yeah.
Alright.
This way you can tell him what you are hearing and what you want him to address, and have him take care of it. And if that means that he's got to hang out and reset the toilet so you're not sitting around here all afternoon waiting for him to be done. He said he had no problem resetting the toilet.
Okay. Yeah, that was going to be my question, whether he wants me to reset it or if he wants to reset it.
If he has to redo the flange and everything downstairs, then...
I don't know if he's going to do it downstairs or if he's going to end up doing it up here, but the flange definitely needs to be anchored. It's not anchored. Was it just like a general contract you had to your bathroom, or?
Yeah. Yeah. It was all kind of an accident. So, yeah, I'll leak upstairs and then coming through the the ceiling.
Yeah.
We opened it up and it was all molded underneath there.
Oh,
and
no.
all the wood was rotted around where that upstairs toilet was.
Yeah.
It had a crack in the back of the toilet. It's been leaking, slowly leaking for however many years. So we had to tear the floor and the ceiling out. And so we were like, well, fuck it, let's just remodel both bathrooms because everything's torn out.
Right.
So they put everything in and, you know, dropped in the toilet and whatever.
Right.
Backed up.
Nope.
Through.
It's flowing good, which tells me that it's possible that you guys might, because that's not gurgling now.
Right.
So that tells me that you guys might have had a partial blockage to start off
Quite a
with,
while.
and then the wipes just kind of sealed the deal for you.
Okay.
But yeah, there's no water in the base of this. There was when I first had you guys start running the water for me. There's no water now, and I'm not hearing that gurgling.
Yeah.
So you guys probably had a partial blockage, and then, like I said, the wipes just kind of did you in, unfortunately.
Finished the deal.
Exactly.
Good to go. Sweet.
So, okay guys, so we are done with that one. We finished up. We used the K9 and snaked it through. We'll see you next time. Bye!